welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys from my bathroom here in New York City, my hotel bathroom I should say. If you guys could see my filming setup right now, you guys would be shook. It's taking me back to the days where I was struggling to film a video and I would stack a bunch of books and put my phone on top. Anyways, I'm gonna insert a picture of what my filming setup looks like. I'm here in New York City with Bobbi Brown. I'm headed to their Luxe lip lounge and the dress code tonight is a bold lip with gold attire. So I'm wearing this really beautiful gold dress with this gorgeous purple lip. I'm actually gonna show you guys how to achieve this makeup look. I'm gonna show you guys the whole shebang, where everything's from, so let's just get right into it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is prime my skin. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love using this, and also it goes perfectly with the foundation, so I'm just gonna pop this all over my face. And then also, I didn't know this, but Bobbi Brown has lip balm as well. Why can't I get it open? Okay, here we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some of this lip balm. This is just their lip balm SPF 15 on. So this primer is a moisturizer and primer in one. If you have oily skin, you could just go ahead and use this and you're good to go. But I have dry skin, so I already layered on a moisturizer after I washed my face, and I'm gonna pop this one on top to prime. Onto my foundation. So I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless foundation. You guys know I've been such a big fan of this foundation for so long. It just does such a good job at just covering all of the things that I need to cover without making me look caked on. It's super weightless, hence the name. It really is a buildable coverage. It is a matte finish, but if you just want a light coverage, you can just apply one layer, but if I want to build up the coverage, it's really easy to do so. So I'm just going to use this one in the shade Warm Natural 4.5. I'm going to put a pump of this into the foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Extra Golden Glow Illuminating Moisture Bomb. Mix it up. As you guys can see, my skin gets super red after I rub it, so after I apply primer, my face always gets really pink. I usually like to apply my primer earlier and then like let it kind of like sit in my face. Here is the foundation on. Honestly, this has to be the only long-lasting foundation that I like. A lot of foundations that are marketed as long wear, I don't really like because I feel like they're very drying, they're very cakey, but I love how this one's very moisturizing even though it has a matte finish. So and now I'm gonna move on to Corrector, and Bobbi Brown has these cute little correctors. I'm using this one in the shade Light to Medium Peach for my under eyes before I go into concealer. So I'm just picking this up on my sponge. I'm just gonna use this to kind of cancel out some of that darkness under my eyes. And I actually learned today, fun fact, that Bobbi Brown was one of the first makeup companies to come out with correctors. So that's pretty cool. So see, look at that difference already. And this is like before concealer. It really helps brighten up the under eyes. And as you guys know, after I got my nose done, I've just been struggling with darkness under my eyes and dark circles. So this definitely helps me conceal them. Has this cute little mirror, so I'm gonna try to look in there. Wow, look at that difference. Look at how much of a difference that made. Use that on the other side. Now onto concealer on top of the corrector. The dress code is gold with a bold lip. So since I'm doing a bold lip, I'm gonna keep the eyes pretty neutral to kind of balance it out. So on my forehead. The nose is always pretty difficult because you want it to be as straight as possible. There we go, that looks pretty good. Say hi to the video. Isn't that cool, guys? This hotel, you can open this up by the bathtub and it's like the whole room. Now going in with some powder to set everything. I'm gonna grab my sponge. You guys know the drill. Brow pencil in the shade. This one is in the shade Medium Brown. And I hope I'm not jinxing myself right now, but I've been really loving how I've been doing my eyebrows the past few days. I haven't like changed my technique or anything, but they just like look really good. So hopefully it's one of those nights. Here's the difference between my eyebrow filled in. By the way, I do have powdery eyebrows. It's kind of like having microbladed brows, but it's less harsh. It's more like having a eyeshadow tattooed onto your eyebrow. So I just like to follow the natural line and just kind of make them a bit darker. So that's just what I've been doing lately. My brows definitely look a lot softer. can't forget the brow gel. I can't believe I'm almost out of brow pencil already. I swear I go through brow pencil. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? I swear I go through like 2 brow pencils a month. Is that normal? I feel like that's pretty normal, isn't it? Taking some of this Bobbi Brown concealer in the shade Warm Ivory. This is the Instant Full Cover Concealer. I'm just gonna use this to clean up my brows on a little brush. You know what, I'm just gonna use the applicator. It's pretty small. And then I'm going to wipe away my bake, and then we're going to add some contour. And again, it kills me I don't have a dark concealer because I really love contouring with concealer lately. So I'm just gonna have to just use powder, but we'll make it work. We will make it work. Going to apply some contour. Since I'm wearing a gold dress, I want to look really, really bronze. So I'm going in with the bronzer. Now on to blush. I'm gonna be using my Bobbi Brown blush in Nectar. I have been so obsessed with this blush ever since I've gotten it. I got it a few months ago, and this has been my everyday blush, whether I'm doing a glam look, a neutral look. It's just this beautiful like universal pink, so it just like goes with everything. And I feel like people have been definitely getting into blush a lot more lately. Now I feel like if I don't use blush, my makeup look does not feel complete. Like blush completes my look. I'd rather use blush than highlight, for real. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter. Well, my version of a little bit. Probably to some of you guys is gonna be a lot. But just on the high points of my cheeks, my nose. Yeah, like that's good, for real. I'll blend it out more in a second. I like to take my blush brush and then like blend my blush with my highlight. Tip of the nose, actually. That's it for the face, and I like to set my face and spray it before I move on to my eyes and my lips. So I'm going to be grabbing my Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Hydrating 3-in-1 Spray. So this can also be used as a primer. So this preps, sets, and finishes, and also refreshes your makeup throughout the day. So Yasmin is the one who actually got me into this. She was using it way before I was, and she's always like, Naz, use this setting spray. Every time we're doing our makeup together, she's like, use this setting spray. So she definitely got me into it, and I absolutely love it. So I always forget to close my mouth when I do it, so that's why I paused mid-sentence. I'm like, let me close my mouth real quick. If you spray tan, this is a huge tip. Literally, like, do this when you spray your face. Even perfume, just anything of that sort. Cover up like your chest and your neck, because if you notice that your spray tan on your neck tends to wear off and get patchy quick, if you're spraying perfume on your neck or setting spray or anything like that, that could be the cause of it. So just a little tip. And now we're gonna move on to eyes. So I'm keeping it really, really neutral. Probably just some brown in my crease and then some really pretty lashes. And then for my bold lip color, because you know we have to fit the dress code, I am going with this one from Bobbi Brown. I haven't done a purple ever, I think. I haven't done this color in a long, long time. This is the Velvet Matte, Luxe Liquid Lip Velvet Matte, in the shade Brocade 5. This is the BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii palette. So I'm grabbing this brown. I'm just gonna use all the browns and then use this shade for my, just like a pop. This is in the shade Sandy. Here are the 2 lashes I brought. If you guys remember that video I did with Daisy like 10 years ago and she gave me this, you guys remember that? Like she literally gave me this like 3 years ago and I still use it all the time. I'm gonna use so these are Lily Lashes in Miami Flare, and then I have Lily Lashes in just regular Miami. So Miami Flare like wings out at the end. I don't know what I'm feeling. They're both really pretty. By the way, I do have a coupon code with Lily Lashes. Use my code NAZ10 for 10% off. Shameless little plug there. I'm gonna go with, let's just do regular Miamis. I've been loving this mascara for using under falsies because you don't want anything that's too clumpy or heavy. You know, you want your fake lashes to sit nicely on top of it. This is a really affordable mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes. They sent me a PR package and I've been loving their mascaras, but I just like to use this one for underneath falsies because it's very, here you guys can see, it's not clumpy at all. Also gonna tightline real quick using my Dose of Colors Caviar eyeliner. I feel like if Kelso and Jackie lived in this generation, they would for sure be a YouTube couple. Now I'm going in with that Luxe lip color I showed you guys earlier. First of all, the packaging is so pretty. I love the gold top. Here's that lip color on. It is so beautiful, you guys. It glided on my lips so smoothly. It does have a matte finish, but it has these oil infused powders to make it really comfortable and long lasting on your lips. It will not flake off, and I just absolutely love this color so much. I'll put a link to it down below. That's it for my makeup, and luckily I do not have to do my hair. Hallelujah. It's always a good day when you don't have to do your hair. I actually got my hair done earlier because we shot some videos for Bobbi Brown and they had a glam team on set, so I had my hair just like loosely curled because I always wear it straight, so I'm like, let me change it up a bit. So on to my outfit. So Bobbi Brown actually, while I was out, left these gorgeous gold earrings in my room that go perfectly with my dress. So I'm gonna take this necklace off and throw on these earrings. And guys, they've been spoiling us on this trip. Like, I'm so grateful and thankful for everything that they've done. They've given me like these beautiful pajamas, these earrings, so much makeup. Like, I'm literally so blessed. Like, thank you so much to Bobbi Brown. Thank you so much to you guys for supporting me to have these opportunities. Like, I'm just so thankful and grateful for all of you. I just got real deep real quick, but seriously, I'm so thankful for everything. These earrings are so pretty. They're gonna look so good with my dress. So I'm gonna go throw my dress on and then I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I just got dressed, gotta put on some perfume and deodorant. I'm just using Flower Bomb. Be careful about spraying it on my neck. And some deodorant, my Kavari coconut oil deodorant. Okay, so this is the bag I'm gonna be carrying. This is just a little Louis Vuitton clutch that I got from the Real, and then my shoes. Ugh, can you see them? Here's my dress. Bear with me, guys. It's kind of hard to show it with this heavy camera. My hands like shaking. But this is the dress from House of CB. And then I'm also wearing these nude little heels from Saint Laurent. That's my little get ready with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Links to everything is down below. Thank you so much again to Bobbi Brown for sponsoring today's video and also sending me on this trip. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye, guys.